Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm taking you along with me to Ikea so I can share with you all my favorite hidden gems you probably didn't know existed. Usually when you think about Ikea, you think plain, simple, affordable furniture, but there is so much more than that packed in that big store. So I hope sharing some of these products with you gives you an idea on what you should pick up next time you're shopping at Ikea. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And let's go ahead and head to the store. If you're planning a trip to Ikea, try and go in the afternoon during the week. It's less busy and you can really enjoy your time in the store. Let's wander around the showroom so I can show you all my favorite things. The first little hidden gem that you would never expect to be sold at Ikea is actually this ring light and tripod set. This is perfect for anybody that wants to create any kind of content. Maybe you're doing video calls. These ring lights will definitely help. They're just $29.99 and they actually come with the stand that has the phone holder and the light holder. It has different temperatures, so you can do daylight, cool light, and warm light, so you have a lot of options to work with. This is a great quality 2-in-1 piece that you can plug right in and use immediately. So if you're looking for anything like this, check out Ikea because it's such a steal. Now onto something that's going to help you sleep better at night. I found the perfect pillow in the mattress section here. If you're looking for a memory foam pillow, something that is cooling and comfortable, this is the pillow. I love memory foam pillows. I know people have different tastes, but this is actually a next level pillow because it has a cooling pad built right in. This blue part is like this cooling gel that allows you to have one side of your pillow being cool and the other side's normal. It's ergonomically designed. It's great for back, stomach, and side sleepers. So it's pretty much a pillow for everybody. But if you want to stay cool at night, this is the pillow for you. Now, if you want to create the same effect to your mattress or even an existing pillow that you have, you can actually get this cooling pad. This is a fraction of the price and you can pretty much put it anywhere. If you want to keep your pets cool, if you want to put it on your sofa, your mattress, or your pillow, it's very versatile. It's something that you can just wrap around a surface and create a cooling effect. So I think this is such a little hidden gem tucked into the bed section. If you're a hot sleeper or your air conditioning just isn't cutting it, I would recommend getting this little $15 cooling pad. If you're working on any DIY project like a furniture flip or a kitchen makeover where you have to install pulls and handles, you could probably really use this drill template. This is such a handy little tool that allows you to measure and perfectly place your screws to get those handles in properly. This allows you to mark the center, hook it over top of your cupboard or drawer, and get that perfect placement. It can be a pretty tedious task to install handles and pulls, especially if you're moving any placement, creating new holes, or holes do not exist. So you definitely need this tool. It's going to save you so much time and make sure you get that placement perfect every single time. You can usually find this handy little tool just placed right beside the pulls and knobs. If you're looking for a quick way to build your furniture, or if you're looking for very easy, user-friendly, affordable DIY supplies, this is the place to get them. Ikea has drills and very easy to use tools that are great for beginners. They have all the little necessities that you need. I always pick up this little set of screws and anchors just because it's already very organized. There's no thought involved. You know exactly what screw and anchor to choose because they're all lined up. So I love this little set. I pretty much use it for every single project, but the Fixa line has little measuring tapes. They also have laser levels, and everything from this collection is very affordable. So if you're new to the whole DIY world, maybe you're not very familiar with different tools, I would start with a little Ikea set just as a beginner step to get everything you're looking for at an affordable price. I do a lot of Ikea curtain shopping. I find it to be one of the best places to find affordable curtains, but sometimes they're not the length I'm looking for. So luckily Ikea sells this iron-on hemming tape, and this is just $1.99. This is a 33-foot long hemming tape, and it's so easy to use. If you're looking for a no-sew option, something fast and efficient, I would say this hemming tape is just what you need. It's such a hidden gem hidden in the curtain section. We all know that IKEA has a great kids section, but they also have an extensive collection of art supplies and craft supplies. If you are a teacher or a parent looking for craft and paint and art sets, I would shop them at IKEA. They are such a great deal here. You can get paintbrushes, markers, chalk, pens, crayons, everything you really need for such a great price. So I highly recommend shopping for your art supplies and craft supplies here at IKEA at the same time as you're shopping for the rest of your house. They have so much selection and everything is a fraction of the price that it would be anywhere else. I also think this little Mala carrying case and surface pad is brilliant. You can organize all your supplies and have a little surface on the go. The new Pep Rig cleaning line at IKEA is another hidden gem. They have everything you need to start your cleaning collection, all the tools and supplies so that you can get your entire collection built on a budget. They have sponges, cloths, brushes, and these really cool bottles. These are perfect for space saving because they have flat sides, so you can squish them all together and take up very minimal space with your cleaning supplies. So you can find all this downstairs in the marketplace, but if you're moving into your first home or trying to build your cleaning collection, you definitely need to get your tools and supplies here at IKEA on a budget. I'm sure we all know about the IKEA Kallax unit. You've probably had one of these at some point in time. They're a great organizer, they can be a room divider, but you might not know that they actually sell really great inserts to customize this piece. You can insert cupboards, drawers, and organizers to better use your Kallax unit. I think these little inserts totally make the most of your Kallax unit and can transform it drastically. If you really don't want to see the clutter that can build up in these pieces, you should definitely get organizers like this. You can install them right inside your existing piece and transform it instantly. They have bottle organizers, doors, drawers, and you can configure it however you'd like, so you can totally customize the piece. They even have glass shelves. So if you have an IKEA Kallax unit and you're trying to figure out how to use it better, definitely consider getting the inserts. I think they go such a long way, and it's an affordable way of transforming a piece that you already have. If you're looking for affordable organization ideas, wander through the IKEA kitchens and open up the cupboards and drawers. They always have them staged and organized, and it gives you so many ideas that you can implement into your home. I think all of the IKEA jars, bottles, and canisters are hidden gems. If you are organizing any space in your home, pick up your jars and organizers at IKEA. If you shop any of these products elsewhere, you could probably be paying double the price, so I think save your money and shop them at IKEA. You can get your home organized, tidy, and looking like a real-life Pinterest board just by shopping your jars at IKEA. These are such versatile pieces that you can use for so many different purposes and have a lot of creativity with. These are also the perfect spice jar. I've labeled mine, I used my Cricut to really customize them, and it really keeps my spice cabinet looking tidy. It has a little double-sided top and it looks good inside and outside of your cabinets. There is a lot in the pillow section that I would skip past, but I would not skip past these. These are super fluffy pillow inserts, and they're so affordable. If you're looking to decorate your bedroom or your sofas, definitely get these pillow inserts. You can get them in different sizes. I like choosing the 26 by 26 so I can get big fluffy pillows on a budget. I use these inside of linen pillow covers, and you end up with a very high-end look, and you can totally do it on a budget. I love how fluffy these are, they're super choppable, and the inserts are just $14, so you can get a bunch of these and switch the covers up as you need. IKEA has completely stepped up their cutlery game. They now have gold cutlery, silver, and black. If you're looking to create a little bit more of a high-end elevated look in your home on a budget, I would consider getting some cutlery from IKEA. These would add so much style to your tabletop and your kitchen. They look good put away in a drawer, and they look good on your tabletop. So I love that they now have different finishes to choose from. You can really customize it to the look of your home and just add that little bit of detail to your home essentials. When you're downstairs in the marketplace, you need to check out this aisle. This has all of the kitchen essentials that you need, pretty much all under $5. I get my little egg slicers from this area. I also get my apple slicer from here. These are things that I reach at pretty much every single day. And my favorite item, the milk frother. I've talked about this milk frother before, but it is so amazing and it's only $2.49. This is the most affordable milk frother I've ever heard of and it works so well. I can put it away in a drawer, it doesn't take up any space, it's easy to clean, and it makes really great cappuccinos. So I personally think this is IKEA's best hidden gem. It's one of my favorite products here, and if you're into coffee, you definitely need one of these. And lastly, the as-is section. This is the hidden gem department of the entire store. This is like an IKEA thrift store. It's filled with products that have been returned, products that might have a little bit of damage, and they're marked down to up to 50% off. So you can find items in here that have been discontinued, sold out, like these bully bookcases. You can't find these anywhere, but you can find them in the as-is section. So I always recommend checking it out. You never know what you're gonna find. Alright, so that's it for my favorite hidden gems at IKEA you probably didn't know existed. Let me know down below in the comments which one of these products do you absolutely need to pick up next time you're at IKEA. And if you shop anything really specific at IKEA, let us know down below in the comments what's a hidden gem that you know about that we should all know about as well. Anyways, if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!